Why you gotta do stuff like that?
You what?
Huh? Shoot it and you think my gas is on going? Why? I gotta do stuff like that. Huh?
Right.
No, you always gotta joke around.
No, I
I
don't.
think it's funny. I think it's funny. Give me this guy.
No. You son of a...
What up, Airsofters? This is Ceebus here. We are rolling at Code Red Airsoft. We're back again, and this time I brought my compadre, my partner in crime, the Licky Boy. So come on and check on this action.
Go behind that thing. Go behind that thing. All right, coming around you. Okay. Move up, move up.
By the doorway, they're not in the doorway.
I got this.
Watch your left, right here.
Okay. Oh shit, I thought that was going on down there.
Connor, you got any flag or?
Connor, get that shit.
Sitting right on it.
Hit.
Hey, they're around the corner.
You guys got 1 minute remaining, guys. 1 more minute remaining. No dance on control the flag.
Hit!
Loading. Okay. Hit. All right.
Main door.
Is it clear from right? Is it clear from that?
Oh, man.
Yeah. Come in.
Oh.
Come on, I got food. Grab it, grenade.
Hey. Come on.
playing a bit of Hardpoint here, where we have flags at specific locations, and the team have to just simply switch the flag to your corresponding color. The team that can have the most before the time is up is the winner.
Other side of the boat.
Oh, he's got to be hit. Yeah. You good on ammo?
Yep.
Good? Okay.
You guys use that adapter to fill it up?
Yeah, well, we just used the regular TM 40 30. It worked 430 round mag filler. It works fine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You're talking about this?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, but you use this adapter to
No,
push it in?
no. I just used that. We didn't work in it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're not the only one.
Yeah, he knows. He knows. Yeah, but basically the regular TM one, it costs a little bit more.
Okay.
But it's the only one that I found that works reliably without anything.
Oh,
Like,
okay.
by itself. It just has a little lip thing. You just put it in and it works. All right. Turn on your camera. All right, let's go. That was fast.
Yep.
That was quick.
I said.
Whoa. Wow.
Put the container.
Huh?
Get in the container.
All right.
Go. Go.
All right, we're clear up to here.
That's really one way to push that.
Three. Loading. Cover.
Am I good to push out right?
Everybody stop shooting! Stop shooting!
Blind man! Blind man!
Stop shooting!
Stop shooting! Blind man! Just hold your position.
Stay where you are.
They're looking right at us. He's like stepping out.
Huh?
Start the game. Stand by. Alright, game is live. Game is live. All three, Alright, guys, down to the 5.
Hit it.
30 seconds for your
Let's go.
The objective of this game is to get somebody into this red cone object. If we can get somebody in there by the end of the game, we win.
Hit.
Oh, so those 10 guys are starting closer?
I don't know. I'm guessing, right? Why would he take them? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
He's not changing them teams, or else he would have said it. And the teams were even from the beginning, right? So what else could he be doing? He would probably be making them start closer, right? To kind of balance it, because they've been kicking our butt a little bit. I agree. Because nobody's helping me.
I tried that one.
Huh?
I thought they were on fire.
Really?
A little bit.
But you didn't do anything.
You play by your
Which way you want to go? Left, right, middle? Go middle, then, right? Or you want to go through the containers, like the one I went through? That was pretty fun.
Let's go far left.
Far left? Alright. Alright.
Just for fun.
Just for fun? I don't like fun though.
Oh, hi. Actually, take that back. Let's just go right here first.
You know the target's right here, right?
Yeah. It's right in front of the bus.
Alright guys, your new respawn. It's gonna be the 3
Press that bus! Hey guys, buddy.
You going?
Go.
Okay.
New respawn, guys. Just green water tank right here.
Come through quick.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Thanks for watching this video. We had a good time. Hopefully you had a good time too. Take care and God bless.